Welcome to my channel. Today, we will talk about the angle grinder, a very useful tool in woodworking and industrial work. An angle grinder is a power tool used for cutting, grinding, or polishing various materials such as metal, wood, and plastic. With an angle grinder, cutting and smoothing tasks become much easier and faster. The main parts of an angle grinder include motor that drives the tool disc or grinding wheel which performs cutting, or grinding spindle lock used to lock the disc when changing the grinding wheel, hand guard to protect your hands from sparks and debris, off switch to power the tool, on and off auxiliary handle for better stability during use. For safe use of the angle grinder, here are some important steps. Always wear personal protective equipment such as safety goggles, gloves, and a dust mask. Make sure the grinding wheel is in good condition, not cracked or worn out. Hold the tool firmly with both hands, one on the main handle and one on the auxiliary handle. Never remove the hand guard to protect your hands from flying debris. Turn on the tool with the disc away from the workpiece, then bring it closer to begin cutting or grinding. Avoid applying too much pressure. Let the grinder do the work at its own speed. Keep your body parts away from the cutting direction and debris. After finishing, turn off the tool and wait until the disc stops completely before setting it down. By following these steps, using an angle grinder will be safer and help prevent workplace accidents. Always prioritize safety when working with power tools. Here's what you should do to prevent work accidents caused by grinding machine. First, make sure the blade guard on the grinder is installed. Second, ensure the cutting wheel is properly and securely installed. Third, remain calm when the grinder is turned on. Fourth, ensure the cutting wheel is positioned at the correct point when cutting the workpiece. Fifth, stabilize the grinder and avoid shaking it. Sixth, ensure there are no obstacles around the object being cut that could come into contact with it. This way, we can be safe and secure when working with the grinder. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a positive comment. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.